Clarify the audit purpose, such as quality assurance or compliance. Gather necessary documents like certifications and previous audit reports. Identify areas of focus, including production and quality control. Define the audit scope to streamline the process. Preparation sets the foundation for a thorough evaluation. Begin with the facility overview, examining location and layout. Assess quality management through control procedures and certifications. Evaluate workforce compliance, safety, and training. Analyze operational efficiency by reviewing workflows and equipment. Health, safety, and environmental compliance are crucial for responsible manufacturing. Ensure traceability of raw materials and components. Review supplier selection and ethical sourcing practices. Verify compliance with local laws and international standards. Document regulatory approvals and industry-specific requirements. Effective supply chain management and compliance protect against legal risks. Digital tools enhance efficiency and accuracy of audits. These tools facilitate comprehensive and streamlined audit processes. Generate detailed reports highlighting findings and improvement needs. Develop corrective action plans with clear timelines. Schedule follow-up audits to ensure continuous progress. Post-audit actions translate findings into improvements. Accountability and continuous improvement are key goals. Document general information like audit date and purpose. Profile the factory, noting employee count and production lines. Review pre-audit documents such as licenses and certifications. Inspect facilities for safety, environment, and quality control. A structured checklist ensures thorough coverage of critical areas. Ensure consistent product quality and identify improvement opportunities. Verify adherence to laws and standards, reducing risks. Build client trust through commitment to quality and ethics. Identify inefficiencies and drive process enhancement. Factory audits are tools for continuous improvement and stakeholder relationships.